What we hope when he enters the water, he'll show you a behaviour. Here we go. So seals, when they're swimming through the water, it's known as porpoising or bowing. It's a really energy efficient way for them to travel when they're hunting down their prey or avoiding predators out there. Abel's doing his own thing today and that's okay. What he's showing you now, he's giving you a bit of a clue. He's skipping ahead. So seals are amazing predators, but there are other predators out there in the ocean and he's giving you a bit of a clue. So what he's demonstrating now, well, give him a round of applause. We got there in the end. Being able to leap out of the water like that, he's able to get away from predators and change direction really quickly. Now Abel at the moment, he's weighing a really healthy 120. Well, that is the amazing Abel, everyone. We'll give him one last round of applause and send him home. Now Cisco's going to be showing you a behaviour that he's been working on. He's been working on a flip. Being such a massive animal, those front two flippers are incredibly powerful. So he's going to show you just how strong they are and how easily he can move through the water. Send him up to the top so he gets more height. Working on for quite a lot to do. I think we're going to do it one more time. You can do it, Cisco. Amazing backflip, Cisco. So impressive to see. Everyone, let's give him one last round of applause. Or maybe not, maybe he's going to stay with us a bit longer, a little bit longer, and that's okay. Big smile from Cisco, he's pretty happy with himself. Now coming out next is another one of our Kaku-p. Pepper has a beautiful voice. Now, seals are what we call semi-aquatic animals. So they spend a lot of time in the water, of course, but they also spend equal amounts of time dried out on the land. When they're on the land, this is where they can get their best rest, socialise, breed and raise their pups. For a California sea lion, particularly a male, often they'll spend time on the land and it's often just one male with a bunch of females. What he's showing you now is just how great he is at using those flippers to help groom. Now seals on their rear flippers, they actually have a set of nail beds so he can bend them to help groom his body. Despite being such a big seal, they're incredibly hungry. What he's showing you now is how he can use those front two flippers to clean his whiskers. Eating a lot of fish all day, you might get fish guts and scales stuck in those whiskers, so it comes in handy being able to use those flippers. Now seals are opportunistic feeders and often out in the wild they're seen chasing down fishing trawler boats. These are the large boats that we see to capture all of the seafood that we see on our supermarket shelves. Seals us being such fast travellers in the ocean, they're able to catch up to these boats. Our seals catch the fish that we throw to them. And it's all thanks to those amazing whiskers. So let's give you a closer look. Now I want everyone to have a look at the end of Pepper's nose. We're getting back in position, and on the count of 3, shout whiskers. 1, 2, 3. You see at the end of those beautiful whiskers is a sensitive nerve fibre that helps with the sense of touch. This comes in handy when seals are hunting in darker, murky water where they can't always find fish with their eyes. Unfortunately, we are overfishing our oceans, so making it harder and harder for seals. Something we can all do about it. That's a big yes. Your choices matter. The next time you're out shopping for seafood, look for the blue MSC fish tick that you can see on the wharf there. It stands for the Marine Stewardship Council. It's a guarantee that the seafood you're buying comes from a fishery that supports fish stocks, jobs, and the environment. Which one am I talking about, Pepper? That one right there, nice and easy. It's a guarantee that Pepper's wild cousins will have a feed out there well into the future, and I believe that makes it a very happy seal. Beautiful smile, Pepper. Big wave. Now, as you've seen, we train our seals a lot of different behaviours. These all take a lot of time and a lot of trust. Some of them can be quite simple, like asking our seals to present their teeth for a health check. That way we can do a nice close inspection. While the behaviours can be a lot more complicated and challenging, like this next one you're about to see. Moby's going to head up to the top of the cliff here, dive into the water and touch his nose on the buoy in the centre of the pool. Now he is training, so we'll see how he goes and would like your help this morning. I'm going to count you in on the count of 3 and I'd like you all to shout, jump, Moby to spur him on. Alright, he's in position. Are we ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. That was a good effort from you guys, but Moby's only... He's going for it. Oh, he nearly cleared it. So Moby's been training on this behaviour, and eventually over time what we'll hope is we can raise that buoy and he can reach higher heights. But he did an awesome job this morning. How about a big round of applause for
tinggi. Udah lah tuh.
चिमणीचे दिवे राजा नाही हा व्हिडिओ खूप छान आला आहे.
Just like her.
तुम्हालाच नाही तो मला पण करतो मला तर अजून वाईट त्याला सावलीत छान वाटतं. सावलीत आला की तोंड वाटतं. मला पण जावं वाटतं पाण्यात त्याला बघून.
wisdom as messengers to the gods, or even capable of prophecy themselves.
Owls have also been feared. Through folklore, these are believed to be the cause of many ghost stories around the world, like the banshees in Ireland. And some cultures believe.
Was looking off with. Good.